Christmas is right around the corner, and for me, it's just another awesome excuse to be in my kitchen. This time, I'm gonna be bringing to you a little family secret. It's my chorizo and corn cob loaf. Perfect to bring along on Christmas Day festivities. Christmas is a very special time in my family. We love getting together and eating all the yummy foods, and of course, it's always the best when it starts off with a delicious cob loaf made by Mum. First things first, and that starts with the cheesy mixture. We're gonna go in with a big lot of cottage cheese. Next, we've got sour cream and a generous handful of some shredded tasty cheese. I'm just using some regular store-bought tasty cheese here, but you can trick this up by adding some smoked Gouda or some red Leicester. Give it a bit of pop of color and a really delicious smoky bite. We're going to go ahead and turn on this Westinghouse double induction top. Look how quick this pot has heated up. This is why I love this induction cooktop. In we go with our cheese now. We just want to warm it through just so that that cheese starts to melt. We've got our pan hot and ready for our chorizo now. I'll just go in with a touch of oil. This gorgeous chorizo. We're just gonna fry the chorizo off now, and it's just wild how quick this induction top gets hot. Sure you can hear that sizzle? My sister will not admit this when it comes to Christmas Day, but she is such a stove hog. So it's really nice to know I can just whip out this induction, find whatever bench space suitable, and get cooking away. All right, chorizo is nice and caramelized. I'm just gonna whack in some corn here. It's just stuff that came out of the freezer. Very economical. But what I really also enjoy about cooking on an induction, especially when it's busy in the kitchen, is that there's no open flame. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this corn and chorizo mixture straight into our gooey cheese mixture. And to top it off, I do have a little concoction of some dried chives, onion powder, salt and pepper. There we have it. The mixture is ready. Pop her aside. We're gonna get started on the cob after I put this induction in the drawers underneath. We've got our cob here, and we need to have a super sharp serrated knife. What we'll do is we're just gonna remove the lid. We're going to now just get our hands and create a little bit of a well. All right, your cob should look a little like this. We're gonna brush the inside of this cob with some honey butter. What I do like about having a Westinghouse air fryer on Christmas Day is that when my oven is full of all the goods, turkey, ham, you name it, I still have space to fit in this cob loaf and have it ready to go in no time. And it's also great for reheating those leftovers for Boxing Day. Just gonna toss the inside bread bits in this gorgeous butter, and that'll go into the air fryer as well, and that'll go nice and crispy. All right, we're gonna fill this up all the way. Now we're gonna pop a lid on it, and into the air fryer oven she will go. The cob is cooking away in the air fryer oven, but Christmas is not all about food. It's also about cocktails. And this is the Westinghouse ice maker. It starts with some fresh ice, straight on in, some slightly warmed cherry jam. I'm gonna top it up with a little splash of fresh lemon juice. I'm adding vodka, but you can add any of your favorite liqueur in here as well. Top it up with some sparkling water. And we'll just garnish with a sprig of rosemary and a lemon. And there you have it, my cherry bramble. One of the best things about having an ice maker on hand is that nobody has to leave the party to run and get ice from the servo. Cheers. Oh my goodness, this is smelling absolutely delightful. There we have it, guys. That is my beautiful chorizo and corn cob loaf ready for Christmas. And my delicious, very refreshing cherry bramble, all made super easy thanks to Westinghouse. Merry Christmas, everybody, and it's a big cheers from my kitchen to yours.